Hi, my name is William with EPX Energy. Today we're featuring the ECOFLOW Ocean Pro system. Smart home panel, inverter, battery. This is the only system that can incorporate a portable generator. We can hook this up here and recharge the battery as the battery is giving power to your home. The other cool part is this system is designed to incorporate everything a home needs. Portable generator, standby generator, solar and battery, and even an EV charger. Let's dive into the Ocean Pro smart home panel. This is a 40 space electrical panel. It takes 120 240 volts. It also takes 120 208 volt. Exactly what a home needs. This electrical panel can be used in a smaller home or a big home because of the amount of spaces. It could also take a main breaker if need be. And then it has this pretty cool screen at the bottom to show you how much power you're consuming from the grid, how much power you're producing from solar, and how much you're using in the home. It even has a pretty cool light. Up next is the inverter. This is where the solar hooks up, battery, standby generator, and portable generator. This can take 24 kW of solar, which is impressive, much higher than its competitors, and it can take up to 8 batteries. Here you can see the screen where how much power you're consuming from grid, and right now we're actually charging the battery, and you can see how much it's sending to the battery to recharge. Now here's the battery. This battery can hold 10 kilowatt an hour, and it can discharge up to 10 kilowatts. It'll recharge up to 5 kilowatts. We can install 8 batteries on a single inverter. The reason why we like this battery, it's easier to install, less material. We don't have to worry about having to install power from an automatic transfer switch to each battery, because this system is DC connected, which simply means that if we wanted to install another battery here, we just run a conduit from battery to battery, 4 sets of wires, hook it up, and we're done. That's how simple it is to expand this system. As I mentioned before, we can hook up a portable generator to this inverter. This is how it hooks up. This cord here connects to the portable generator, and with the interlock, we connect to the inverter. We activate the system after we turn it on. We're not doing that now because we're inside of an enclosed garage. Okay, so the portable generator needs to be outside, all right, or else carbon monoxide can kill you. I know you know that, I'm just mentioning it. And then over here to the left, this is how you activate the portable generator once it's started, and it can recharge your battery as you're using power in your home. This product is perfectly designed for homes in Texas. It launched in Q4. We believe that it's going to lead the industry in 2026. And the best part, it's 15 to 20% cheaper than its competitors. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also check our pinned comments as we're regularly posting on LinkedIn. See you next time.